Firstly, we'll start off with showing you the front end of your website. So to begin, we have the logo in the top left-hand corner of the screen. This also acts as a home button, so if a visitor to the site finds himself on another page and wants to go back to the home page, they can do so by clicking on the logo. Then at the top of the page, we have the navigation menu. The items at the top are called parent pages, and the items in the drop box down are called the child pages. If you are an accommodation provider, you will have the accommodation module with a drop-down menu with all your accommodation options. However, if you are an activities provider, you will have the activities module with a drop-down menu with all your activity options. The navigation menu is completely editable and can be tailored to your sitemap. You can add an About tab with a drop-down menu so that you can include your blog, if you have one, any testimonials, as well as your FAQs and your Contact Us page. The final module on your navigation menu is the Book Now button that, when clicked, will redirect the user to your booking engine. Moving down, we have your homepage hero banner. Your hero banner is an important aspect as it is the first thing people see when they come onto your website. So with a hero banner, you can either have one still image, a slideshow of multiple images, or a YouTube video. Now with a video, this can be as long as you want. However, the longer it is, the longer it will take to load. So a 20 to 30 second video is recommended, and this will continue to play on a loop. Then directly beneath your hero banner, there is your main page heading, which could include your business quote or something that best describes your business. Then beneath this, you have the option to include a subtitle and some content that further explains a bit about your business, what you do, who you are, your purpose, or any other information you wish to add. Try not to make this section too long or too text heavy, as it can become visually unappealing for visitors to your site. Moving down, you may have your featured accommodation, which includes an image and short description of each accommodation option. Guests can click directly on an option they would like more information about, or browse all the accommodation options by clicking View More. However, if you have the activities module instead of the accommodation module because you are an activities provider, this will appear in this section here instead of the accommodation module. It is also a good idea to have a highlights module on your homepage, as shown here. This will include 3 highlights and 3 images, and this is a place where you can list your 3 points of difference and reasons as to why your accommodation or experience is simply the best. Further down, if you keep a blog on your site, you may also want to include some of your featured blog posts. Similar to featured accommodation, guests can click directly onto your blogs to read them or browse the other blog posts. Here, down the bottom, you will have your reviews from past guests, which rotate through over time, and these testimonials are most likely taken from your TripAdvisor or on your social media. They are also kept on your About page here, where guests can view all your reviews. Now finally, down the bottom of your homepage, you have your contact details, which visitors can click on to take them to your Contact Us page. It will also have your social media accounts that are clickable and will take the visitors to your social media pages. Then to the far right, if you have a MailChimp, you'll have your MailChimp module, and a newsletter sign up field will be available, so users can sign up to your newsletter. Of course, if you don't have a MailChimp or haven't set it up yet, we can hide this from the page until it's set up. Then below this, we have your partnership module, which contains a rotating carousel of all your partnership logos. And the last thing on your homepage, right at the bottom, is your footer menu. This includes a home button, your privacy policy, terms and conditions, and any other pages you may wish to include.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to check out our next video or view more videos, click the links at the top of the screen. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss any more future videos.